Hello everyone. In today's video, we will explore the process of changing the language settings within the Clash of Clans application. If the desired language is not readily available, we will demonstrate how to easily modify it. To begin, we will access the Settings menu on our iPhone, and locate the Clash of Clans application listed in alphabetical order. Once found, we will select the application. By clicking on Language, we can access a comprehensive list of available languages. Simply select the preferred language, and the changes will be saved automatically. Thank you for joining us for this brief tutorial.